I saw this picture online and it gave me an idea for an old frame that I had laying around. I had originally purchased this frame art from Hobby Lobby some years ago and decided that it was time to give it a new look. I didn't have to purchase anything because I already had the sequins fabric and the spray adhesive. So I measured it to the width of the frame, leaving some excess so that I could tuck it inside of the frame that had the opening on the side. And guys, it turned out pretty cool. I am really, really pleased with the outcome of this art. Remember, creativity allows you to see beyond the scope so that you can look into the possibilities of what can be. Just because it's scrap does not mean that it does not have a purpose. You just might be looking at your next amazing creation. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. I truly appreciate you all. And make sure you stay tuned because I have some more videos on the way. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.